Police seized more than 60 guns in Jamaica and over 5,000 rounds of ammunition at Kingston Wharves. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The authorities have made another major gun bust and ammunition at Kingston Wharves. The police are reporting that a total of 66 guns and over 4,500 rounds of ammunition were discovered in 2 barrels at the wharf this week. The firearms including 50 handguns and 16 rifles. The discovery was reportedly made around 1:40 p.m. at Kingston Logistics Center at Newport West in St. Andrew by investigators from the Firearm and Narcotics Investigation Division and the Jamaica Customs Agency, who intercepted the shipment from the United States. A Jamaican man who is also an American citizen, who is believed to be behind the shipment along with another individual, were arrested on Wednesday during a controlled delivery operation. The police say that the arrest came as law enforcement intensify efforts to dismantle gun smuggling networks supplying Jamaica criminals on the world. Links 007 TV News understands that the contraband were found hidden inside 2 barrels listed for an address in Waterford, St. Catherine. The seizure follows an incident in December of last year when the police captured a large cliché of gun component parts and ammunition at Kingston Port. In that incident, the Jamaica Constabulary Force said that the component parts seized could assemble 39 pistols and 1 rifle. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and have more details to come on this in a later newscast. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.